Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to get started on TD Ameritrade. I know I definitely had problem getting started. It was definitely kind of hard at first to figure out what account and get started and figure out the information. So I want to make this nice and easy and short. So let's get right to it. So you go up here to your thing. You'd want to type in TD Ameritrade, and then you would go over here to open new account. Just give this a minute to load. All right. So what you want to do, especially if you're under the age of 18, if you're a minor, you want to go over here to UTMA slash UGMA. Right over here, click on this. All right. So over here, as you can see, it's tells you everything you need to know about it. It's pretty simple, and it's a cash account, so therefore you can make as much day trades as you want. You're not under the PDT rule, no matter how much money you have in there. The only problem is it takes a couple days for the money to clear, so just keep that in mind. It's pretty good, simple account, as you can see everything right here. So the custodian must be an adult, be any adult, doesn't have to be your parents, but I would definitely put your parents, someone you trust. So anyway, minor must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. Alright, so we're going to go over here to open account. Okay, so alright, this is everything, and now you just have to fill out this information, which is pretty simple. If you have any questions with anything, just call them up. Just get it done. It only takes a couple minutes to do. It's worth it. So this is kind of what you need: Social Security, tax ID, passport, or visa if you're not a U.S. citizen. But really, all you need if you live in the U.S. is Social Security, and then your employer's name or phone number if you are employed. But your guardian will have to put, or guardian, anyone over the age of 18 will have to put the information here. So this is a custodian, so this is a person who's going to be signing your account for you. So it's going to be right over here. You just have them throw their information in real quick. Once you're done with that, it's over here to your information. Alright, so you put all this stuff in. And then you gotta hit continue over here to more information that you have to put in. Alright, let's see if it'll let me continue. I might fill this in. Alright. But now that you got the idea of it, it's pretty easy. Just the only thing that's kind of could be hard about this is choosing the right account. So make sure to do the UTMA slash UGMA, which is a custodian account. And this is if you're under the age of 18. This is the account you choose. Sometimes that can be complicated trying to find like the right account if you're new to this. So that's definitely the one to go with. So other than that, the information is pretty simple. All you need is your social security card, and then you just have your parent or anyone over the age of 18 put their information in. They do have access to it, so but anyway, it's all your password and your account and everything. So it's pretty simple once you get into it. That was like the most challenging part, just finding the right account usually. So that's about it. And now another thing I wanted to share real quick is if you go back over here, let's just exit out of this. Let's see, let this load. Right here. Oh. Alright, so okay, so right over here. So over here, TD Ameritrade has a great education part for when you get your account set up. So let me see. Do I have to log in first? Maybe not. Let's see. This is definitely I suggest doing right as you open an account. I would definitely get right into this, especially if you don't know that much about it and you're still new at it. This would definitely be something to look at. Alright, let's see. It kind of goes over everything. It's got market news. It can tell you how to open a new account, and it tells you a lot of stuff. So this is definitely a good tool to use. Right up here. and it tells you everything. There's also market news too, if you're new at this. So especially if you don't know what you're not much about what you're doing, this kind of goes over everything, um, all the different accounts. It even goes into more detail as you click on them. So anyway, that's that. And then the market news is also a great one. It's free, comes with it obviously, so that's definitely great to use and utilize. It's kind of fun to watch right here. See this a little bit about it. You would click here and get that. And there's also a news thing you can sign up for too, so that's good. And that's about it. That's how to get set up. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments. I can get back to you right away. And also, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.